Hi guys, today we are making three ingredients coconut ice cream, otherwise known in Ghana as Abele walls. You don't want to miss this easy recipe. So I'll begin by making my syrup. I have in the cup some warm water. I'm adding in my sugar and then I'll give it a good mix and allow it to dissolve. You do not have to dissolve your sugar first, but I want to be on the safer side and make sure that no grain of sugar is in my ice cream. Okay, so that's why I did that. So in my blender, I'm going to be adding my coconut, which I've cut into small bits to help my blender. And then I'm going in with some water and I'll blend till smooth. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family and leave your notification bell on so you don't miss any future videos. So as you can see, my coconut is done and I'm going to pass it through a strain so we get the juice or the milk if you like. And if you've been following me, you know that I've already dropped a video which is the coconut flour. So you do not have to throw your chaff away. You can use your chaff to make some coconut flour. The link will be in the description box in case you missed it. So my coconut milk is ready. In this bowl, I have some powdered milk. I'll add some coconut water, which I had saved up from my coconut. And then I'll go in with my syrup. The coconut water enhances the coconut flavor in your ice cream, but it's okay if you do not have it. Next, I'm going in with my coconut milk and then I'll whisk and mix everything together till all the ingredients are beautifully combined. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me once again. I am so grateful. Once everything is mixed up well, we're going to go ahead and transfer into our cups. In my case, popsicle molds, okay? But in Ghana, we usually would have them pour it in these very colorful cups and then stick in the chewing stick. But I did not have that at home, so I made do with these cute popsicle molds. And then the rest of it went into, I don't know to call it rubber or yeah, something like that, okay? So once they were out the following day, it was time to enjoy. Look at how beautiful they look. So simple to make, but yet so delicious and nutritious. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share once you're done watching, and as always, keep blooming.